Guys, are you tired of dealing with dull, lifeless skin? Do you struggle with dark spots or uneven skin tone? Maybe you have tried a bunch of skincare products but haven't seen the results you're looking for. If any of these sound familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people struggle with achieving bright, glowing skin, but the good news is that some natural home remedies can help. And today I will be sharing some simple DIY solutions that you can use to brighten up your skin and achieve that healthy, radiant glow you have been dreaming of. Let's get to our first remedy. The ingredients that we need are papaya and honey. Let's take a bowl. Now let's take some fresh papaya pieces and add them to the bowl. Let's mash it into a smooth paste. So guys, I did my research and found that the enzyme papain in papaya acts as a strong skin exfoliator and removes the dead cells, which can make the skin lighter in tone. Not just that, papaya can also enhance the skin glow and complexion. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey to the paste. Honey contains natural bleaching properties that can lighten dark spots and even out your overall skin tone. Additionally, honey is a natural humectant, meaning it helps to keep your skin hydrated and looking plump. Let's mix this well. Now let's do a patch test. I'm going to try it on my hand. It has a very smooth consistency. Once the patch test is successful, you can apply the pack on your face and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Now we will wash the face with warm water and follow it up with a cold water rinse. Lastly, pat your skin dry. Now, how many of you know that rice flour is a superb skin brightening agent? Yes, that's right, and that's why it is the main ingredient in our second remedy. For our second home remedy, we need the following ingredients: rice flour and milk. Let's take a bowl. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of rice flour to the bowl. Rice flour has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help prevent skin aging, reduce the harmful effects of UV rays, and promote skin brightening. I also found that many skincare products use rice starch to absorb excess oil. Let's add 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk to the rice flour. Milk contains lactic acid that helps remove dead skin cells and lightens the skin to remove dark spots. Now let's mix it well. As you can see, we have made a nice thick mixture out of it. Before you apply it on your face, let's do a patch test. As I said, it has a very smooth consistency. It feels a little grainy because of the rice flour. Once the patch test is successful, gently apply the paste all over your face and leave it on for at least half an hour. Later, wash your face with lukewarm water. I'm sure you all love dark chocolate, but who knew dark chocolate can be used as a skin brightening agent? Yes, that's right. For our third and last home remedy, the ingredients that you need are melted dark chocolate and honey. Let's take a bowl. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of melted dark chocolate to the bowl. So guys, dark chocolate helps reduce spots and pigmentation and keeps skin glowing and healthy. It also works to bring back skin moisture and keeps it locked in, improves collagen content and boosts circulation, all of which help delay the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey to the bowl. Honey contains mild lightening properties which help to reduce acne scars and hyperpigmentation over time. These same properties also make honey an effective choice for brightening a dull complexion. As you can see, the consistency is very smooth and thick. Once it's ready, you can do a patch test. The paste is extremely smooth and has a thick consistency. Once the patch test is successful, you can apply it on your face and keep it on for 2 to 3 minutes. Later, rinse it with water. Now let's take a quick recap. For our first remedy to lighten dark spots, we used papaya and honey. You just need to mix it well and apply it on the face. For our second remedy, we used rice flour and milk. We made a smooth paste and applied it all over the face before rinsing it with water. And for our last remedy, we used dark chocolate and honey. Tell me guys, which remedy are you going to try to brighten your skin? Do share your thoughts and keep watching this space for more such content.